To get in your take on the IT sector. That continued to remain under pressure in trade yesterday. All of the heavyweights down about 2 to 3% in trade. What are you advising one do right now?
See, definitely yesterday, because of the fundamental news of US interest rate timing and the quantum, there was some amount of profit booking which was seen in IT. But keeping aside yesterday's move in IT for a medium to longer time frame, in fact, for me, IT is one sector where you have good valuation comfort and result season, whatever has now gone by. If you see results of Wipro and Tech Mahindra specifically, they were really good. Also, if you see on chart formation, Wipro technically has that very strong support area at around 530, 535 zone. So for me, Wipro looks a very strong buy, and for a medium to longer time frame, even at current market price, I will be a buyer in Wipro. And if you see the formation, it is more of a cup and handle kind of a formation where we are seeing that base formation at around 535, 540. Even yesterday's low has been exactly to that support area of 540. So at current market price, I will be a buyer in Wipro, looking for targets of 750 to 800 to come in a time frame of 1 to 2 year. And similarly, if you see Tech Mahindra, again, this is another counter where the last quarter results were good. Stock has been consolidating in this range of 1600 to 1730. So for me, at current market price and on dips to levels closer to that 1600, I will be a buyer again in Tech Mahindra, looking at targets of 2000 to 2200 to come. So if you have a time frame of 1 to 2 year, use every dip to buy Wipro as well as Tech Mahindra, and overall IT looks very, very strong to me. You can even pick some of the other stocks like might be Persistent Systems, HCL Technology. These are my 3-4 kind of a priority, and one can also look into the large cap names like TCS as well as Infosys. So for me, in the order of priority, yes, it is Wipro followed by Tech Mahindra, and one can look at definitely IT as a good sector if you have that 1 to 2 year kind of a time frame.
Devin Choksi.
Just let's get in some chart checks as well. And Rudra was curious to know your take on some of the stocks within the broader end of the universe. Have you tracked some of the real estate counters? We had recently seen quite a run up there. What are you doing with real estate?
See, for me, yes, it has seen some amount of correction from October to now, and I want to still stay with the large cap stocks if I have to pick something from real estate sector. Might be Godrej Property looks a very good bet for me, and this is a stock which you can buy on dips, and there is some amount of strong long-term support at around 2500 levels on Godrej Property, and it has seen already enough correction. So I will still stick with large cap stocks if I have to venture into real estate as a sector. And similarly, Oberoi Realty is another stock, might be at current market price and on dips to 1800. I will be a buyer in Oberoi Realty. But keeping aside reality as a sector, still for me, it is a very simple, easy stock picking time. You just look at stocks from October 1st when FII selling started till now. So for last 1 month, market at Nifty index level has corrected around 2700 point. From 26,200, we are now at around 25,500 level. But however, there are so many stocks from October 1st to today, they're still at a higher price when Nifty has corrected around 2700 point. For example, look at HDFC Bank. Even from 1600 zones, currently we are way above that level. Look at ICICI Bank, look at SBI. So relatively, just now I even heard Nikun speaking on banks, especially. Banks are still above those levels of October 1st where it was, and where Nifty has corrected 2700 point, stocks like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are above those October levels. So relatively, this tells to me that is the strength area. So I will still stick on to HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. Look at, for example, now in the new e-commerce sector, Zomato as a stock. Look at Paytm. I'm not referring to Paytm at 2000 level. From 300, Paytm has now moved to current market price. And in last 1 month where markets have fallen, relatively this stock has gone up. So these are stocks which I want to pick in this falling market, and you will make money for next 1 to 2 year. You have to buy when there is this kind of a bloodbath and make money for next 1 to 2 years by picking the right stocks, and many names I have just told right now.
Okay, fair point.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.